Most reviews on VIP Algos tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with chart analysis and trading consistency. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address surface-level symptoms, not the real reason bad trades keep happening. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, drawing lines for hours and still getting stopped out. That's the gap VIP Algos is designed for. When I broke down how VIP Algos actually works, it targets real-time market structure directly, not just lagging price action. That's the distinction that matters. Most free TradingView scripts work at the symptom level, giving you signals way too late, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper. Algorithmic target profit and stop-loss zones visually plotted before you enter a trade. More targeted, less guesswork. The mechanism breakdown. Running through the key components, VIP Market Scanner. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the burnout of staring at 20 different charts. It scans for bullish and bearish setups automatically, saving you hours of manual research. Support and resistance matrix, which I hadn't seen formulated this way in this category before. It automatically maps key levels where the market is likely to react. Cloud-band signals and prediction indicator, easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. They verify the multi-time frame trend direction so you don't accidentally trade into a brick wall. What to expect? Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first few days of plugging it into TradingView, most people notice a massive drop in chart anxiety. The visual buy and sell tags make the next move obvious. That tends to build into better risk management with consistency thanks to the automatic stop-loss zones, and longer term, a structured, emotion-free trading routine. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Connect it to your free TradingView account, add the indicators to your favorite market, crypto, forex, or gold, and set your alerts to your phone. Fits into a daily trading routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 2 to 3 weeks of live testing. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation and learning the system. The compounding kicks in after. The risk assessment. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. VIP Algos comes with a money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on VIP Algos, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.